Hi guys, so yesterday I got my first shot of vaccine and I had put it on Insta stories. So a lot of you guys have a lot of question about the whole process. So I thought of making a video where I can give out all the information of how I booked the slot so easily. Like I just booked it in one day and next day I got my vaccine done. So I wanted to share with you all the information about the slot booking and the vaccine experience. So keep watching the video. I'm going to share the on ground pictures and videos from the vaccine center. It is not quite how I expected. So in the COVID registration website, whenever you go to check the slots, it's always either booked or it's not applicable. I came across this app called Telegram, which is quite similar to WhatsApp, what we use every day. And you for this you need to download Telegram app, register yourself in Cowin website. After that, you have to join one more notification group, whichever city you are living. आप उसका कोविड नोटिफिकेशन अलर्ट का यू हैव टू जॉइन द ग्रुप. बट अभी महाराष्ट्र में, कर्नाटका में वैक्सीन्स नहीं दे रहा है. मे बी इफ दे आर गिविंग इट इन प्राइवेट, यू कैन स्टिल डू दिस एंड यू कैन बुक द प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल का स्लॉट एंड यू कैन गेट इट डन. कैलकाटा में एक भी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, they are not providing vaccines to 18 plus, so I had to book the private one and I had to pay the price. I booked Apollo Gleneagles and I got Covishield, which costed me $850. Once you register yourself in Cowin website and download Telegram, you join the COVID notification group of your city. After that, you will get a message. They will notify you real time of the slots available, because हम लोग जब भी बुक करने के लिए जाते हैं तभी भी everything is just booked. So as soon as you get the notification, you immediately have to go. They are going to provide the Cowin link below. They are going to write the name of the hospital, the vaccine which they are giving, and 18 plus, because 18 plus आपने पहले से करके रखा है. So they are going to only notify you for 18 plus, and then you just click on the link and then you just click on the Cowin link, which will take you to Cowin registration. Then you put your number in the Cowin website, you'll get OTP, you know the drill. After that, they will show you then schedule your slots. They will show you the hospital names and availability. You immediately have to just book that. So I downloaded Telegram in the afternoon and I got a notification in the evening, and I immediately tried doing it, but it didn't happen that time because मेरा OTP आने में time लग गया. It took 2-3 minutes to come my OTP, so that's why I just couldn't get the slot that time. But again after an hour, again I got a notification. I was lucky that way. और मैंने फिर से ट्राई किया and this time the notification came on time and I just got the slot for the next day. I heard that Paytm has also done this notification thingy, but I am not quite sure about it. But one of my friend was telling me, so you guys can check out that as well. But this Telegram worked really nice for me, so I am suggesting you guys to do that and just let me know. So I reached there before 10 and I saw that there is a huge crowd, there's a big queue. So I went, I checked with people and I saw that everyone in the crowd was wearing double mask. So I was quite happy and they were maintaining social distancing, so which was quite nice. I went to the queue, I got my token number. After getting the token number, the guy who was giving the token number, he said you need to wait for at least 2 hours because senior citizens were also there for taking their second dose. So first dose and second dose people were there together, and that is why it was taking a lot of time, and later it became really chaotic and there was no social distancing at all. Let me just share the picture with you and the video with you. लोगों ने देखा कि गेट पे जहाँ पे क्यू लगा हुआ है, जो लोग people who are entering the building with the token number and the people who were managing the crowd, Apollo people, they were letting other random people enter who didn't even have token. So maybe they were their friends or relatives, or maybe they have given them money, and there were a lot of people who didn't even register on COVID app, and they were standing, they were just doing it immediately, and they were just getting the vaccine, which is not at all fair for the normal people. Once you enter with your token number, then there's a small room where you have to do the billing, where you have to pay the money. They will give you one bill. So there they stuffed around 40 to 50 people, and I was stuck in that small room with 45 odd people, and I think at least for 1 hour. And so I thought कि आज तो घर मुझे कोविड लेके जाना ही है. In one lift, at least 10 to 12 people were there. We were like stuffed. After that, as soon as we got in, there's one more floor, 2 floors actually they were giving the vaccine, और वहाँ पे as soon as we got out, lift से बाहर खड़ा होने का जगह नहीं है. There is no space at all because it was like jam packed with people. I saw the guys who came before me, even they were standing there because they also didn't get the vaccine. It was so chaotic. The management was so bad, and on top of this, the guys who were doing the billing, who were giving the vaccine, everyone, the whole staff was so bad. They started yelling at us, and obviously people will go mad because everyone was standing there, everyone was following all the protocols, everyone was frustrated, everyone was just wanted to like get the vaccine and go home. We also saw that the people who were being chased away in the ground floor, जिसको हमने गेट में घुसने नहीं दिया because उनके पास कोई टोकन नंबर था ही नहीं. They just came randomly from nowhere and they were telling staff का नाम कि मुझे इससे मिलना है, मुझे उससे मिलना है और यहाँ जाना है. So they were also standing there before us. I don't know how they got on that floor. Maybe these people, they got them from other gate or something was going on, and it was horrible. So 2 guys, they went on their Instagram live and Facebook live. They wanted to show the entire scenario of the vaccine center, and Apollo people, definitely they know the power of social media. So they tried to snatch their phones because they were going live and they were showing the whole situation to everyone. So they even pushed those guys, and then everyone started screaming, yelling at each other. They were pushing each other. The whole situation was so pathetic. Somehow आधा घंटा के बाद everyone, they were calm, क्योंकि सब टायर्ड होकर झगड़ा करके थक गए थे और कुछ था नहीं, और सबको वैक्सीन चाहिए था. एंड अपोलो पीपल वेर थ्रेटनिंग दैट दे विल जस्ट स्टॉप द होल प्रोसेस. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू जस्ट रीच द स्पॉट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन जस्ट टेक योर टोकन. एंड इट्स बेटर कि आप फर्स्ट हाफ में ही वैक्सीन ले लो और ख़त्म कर दो. मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट एनी वन टू गो थ्रू द सेम थिंग. सिंस दिस प्रोसेस इज क्वाइट टाइम टेकिंग, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू गाइज टू प्लीज़ carry a big water bottle, please carry biscuits or whatever, but it's better to not take off your mask and eat food there. So just something to munch on, just go in one corner and do that. When you go to Cowin site, and there you just select your state and your district. I selected West Bengal और फिर कोलकाता. तो आप किस भी स्टेट पे हो, कहीं पे भी हो, यू सिलेक्ट दैट, और आप वैसा करके you will get the list of hospitals जहाँ पे भी available है slots, and just book it. You can choose your preferred time while booking the slot, but it's a total waste because it's first come first serve basis. बीच में तो मैंने ये भी सोचा था कि let me just leave everything and go back home because nobody is following anything. It is so chaotic और बहुत रिस्क है कोविड होने का. but then I wanted to get the vaccine because so many states are just stopping the vaccine for 18 plus, so I just wanted to get my first shot done. जैसे 18 plus का booking का मैंने process बोला, likewise if you want you can book it for 45 plus as well for your parents or anyone. So same ways, you just have to follow the same process and book for them as well. Instead of 18 plus आप 45 plus का notification on करके रखो. That's all. I hope I could give you all the information about the whole vaccine thing and the process and the slots. So just share this video with your friends and relatives, and so that all of us just get the slot and get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.